Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making fresh cranberry juice. It's so easy, you don't need a juicer, just 3 ingredients, and there's no like preservatives or additives, and we're making it sugar-free today, so I can't wait to show you how to do it. So you want to start by soaking your cranberries in a mixture of baking soda and water for about 10 minutes. This is going to help get off any extra waxes or pesticides residue. By the way, this is a great time to buy cranberries in the wintertime. They're about 99 cents per pound. So you can pop them in the freezer and just save them and make this juice year-round whenever you feel like it. And now they're ready to go into your pot. Pour in about a gallon of water, 2 cups of monk fruit. All right, 10 cups of water, 2 cups of monk fruit. And then you wanna add 2 cinnamon sticks, okay? Let that come to a boil and let it boil for about 30 minutes, okay? You're gonna see a nice lush red color by the time it's done. The seeds are gonna float to the top. You're gonna hear the cranberries pop. That's what you want. You're gonna smell it too. It's gonna smell really good. Now we're gonna take our pot and actually just strain the juice into another pot or bowl. This is gonna get out the extra pulp, skins, and seeds out of our juice because you don't want that in the juice. You just want it to be a smooth juice, okay? Set it to the side and let it cool off. And once it's cooled down, now you're ready to go ahead and pour it into your jars, and you've got fresh cranberry juice. Let's get to it. The taste test for this delicious holiday spiced cranberry juice. Cheers. Oh my God. This tastes like winter. If that makes any sense. It's very refreshing, and that spice from the cinnamon sticks really comes out. It's really, really good. So easy and quick to make for, say, if you're having a party or gathering and you want to just do something with a nice little personal touch. You can totally add this as a beverage, put it in a little pitcher, and serve it, you know, and then have your garnishes on the side. But this is fantastic. No preservatives, no sugars. Definitely make this at home. Comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you next time.